Hi, my name is Maureen Gent. I'm a registered nurse, and I'm here today to offer some tips to make a home care setting more successful. In speaking with both the consumers and employees, I've designated a couple of points I'd like to make this morning. The first tip I'd like to talk about is confidentiality. When you're in a consumer's home, you need to respect their confidentiality at all times. HIPAA is guidelines that we need to follow in the home care setting as well as in the hospital or nursing home institutions. As a consumer, they would be very offended if they felt like their privacy was broken outside of the home. Please remember that. Another issue that comes to light is attendance. Not always an excellent record in the home care setting. Please remember, these consumers need us. If they didn't, we wouldn't have a job. So if you cannot make your designated shift, always call. Remember, timeliness is just as important. The shift is designated to help the consumer in their needs. We need to be there and stay the full shift that is written out for us. The use of cell phones becomes an issue in the home care setting. Please look at it this way. You wouldn't use your cell phone if you were a bank teller in a bank. You wouldn't use it if you were busy on an assembly line. Ask questions. Some of the consumers have very intricate equipment. Before you start using it, make sure you understand it. They will be happy to explain it to you. For them, it's more successful if you know what you're doing with it. Don't walk into a consumer's home and try to take control. You're there to assist them. It's their home and you're only there to help. If we practice just a couple of guidelines, I believe the home care setting will be more successful for both the consumers and the employees. Always treat your consumer and your staff member as a member of the family. Okay, they're coming into your home to help you, or you're going into their home to help them. Respect. Respect on both ends is very important for a successful relationship. Listen. Listen to one another. Please, consumer, explain what is expected. It will bring a more successful situation. Employee, listen to what is expected of you, and then you will know what you are doing and again, land up more successful. One last but very important quality is patience. It's very difficult to have somebody have to come in your home because you can't do it independently. In the same respect, it's very hard for the staff member to walk into somebody's home and know what's expected. So patience on both ends will prove to make a successful environment and situation. I hope these tips help. Have a good day.